Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In this video I want to talk about how to customize navigation bars in SwiftUI. We will learn how to use the Toolbar API to add and customize navigation bar items in our SwiftUI app. Now let's get creative. We will break down how to customize navigation bar to match our app design and branding, from setting a title to adding navigation items. The possibilities are endless. First, let's start by creating a new SwiftUI project. Open Xcode and create a new project. Choose App as a template and choose SwiftUI as the user interface. You can also choose a product name. Here I'm just using custom navigation bar as a sample project, so it doesn't matter. Then you need to choose a group to save it, and yeah, that's it. You have a new Xcode project. So here I'm just going to add the iPhone as a supported destination because I want to have a better preview during this tutorial. So it's not part of the tutorial and you can leave it as it is. But I'm also leaving the Mac as a supported destination because I don't want it right now. So yeah, that's it. And you'll wait a little bit. We can see the preview in the iPhone. Just you can create a new SwiftUI view, or you can use the existing one, like a content view as a default. So it doesn't really matter. You can do it in your project to create a new navigation bar to wrap it around all views or child views in your app, or you can do different based on your project. In my Medium post, I use a navigation view. But as you may know, navigation view will be deprecated in a future version of the iOS. This tutorial I will use a navigation stack instead of the navigation view, but it's not really different. So everything we will do here, it's applicable to the navigation view as well. So no need to be worried. Yeah, I've just created a new navigation stack object, but it, keep in mind that the navigation stack is only available after iOS 16. So if your target is iOS 15 or 14, keep in mind that maybe you need to use a navigation view because navigation stack is not available. I'm just moving the default code, the VS tag to inside the navigation stack. As a next step, I want to have a title for my view. So I will use navigation title view modifier and just assign a string. And in the preview, you can see that I have title there. And the next step, I want to have two toolbar items. So I will just write the toolbar modifier. And in the toolbar closure, use a toolbar item with the placement and the content. Also worth to mention that we have also two new placement. There was navigation bar trailing and navigation bar leading before, which now will be deprecated in future iOS version. So I will use top bar leading and top bar trailing instead of those because I'm using navigation stack. So it's better to use the new placement thingy for my toolbar item. And as a content, I just add a button with a debug print in the action and an image, a gear image as a label. So just for demo purpose. For the second item, which will be placed on the trailing edge of the navigation bar, I will add a new button with a plus icon. And yeah, that's it. It's very easy to do these customization. Probably you need to create some dynamic behavior to add a toolbar item because you need a different toolbar item in the different pages. If you have any question about how to customize it for your app or you have some different usage, you can write it in the comment and I will answer. So no worry. And let's see how does it look in the simulator. Okay, we have the navigation bar. I tap on the plus button. You can see that the debug print uh, will be available on the console and also for both of them. So I want to do some more customization. For example, I don't want to have a large navigation title. So I will change the display mode to the inline. So it's also related to your UI UX design. But I like the inline mode when I have two button on the left and right, so it's more user friendly, and it's only my opinion. So you can change it based on your UI. And yeah, that's it. And that's it for this tutorial on how to customize navigation bar in SwiftUI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, as I said before, or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will also add my Medium URL to the description, so you can also read about this video in my story in the Medium. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SwiftUI tutorials and also support me. Thank you. Bye bye.